Welcome back to Angel's Toy Surprise. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Angel's Toy Surprise. Guess what today we are unboxing? Today we are unboxing the Unicorn Soap Making Lab. As we all know, soap is so important in today's time, and of course sanitizers. So please keep sanitizing your hands. And today we are unboxing this. We can make our own unicorn shaped soap. It is also glittery. It says includes all the necessary contents to make soap at home. So let's take a look at the packaging and start unboxing it. So as you can see at the packaging, there's a big unicorn. It's a tube shaped packaging. I've never seen a soap bottle like that. And as you can see, it has all of the contents. It says soap base, soap mold, strawberry fragrance, red and blue cosmetic coloring, big measuring beaker, wooden spatula, gift wrapping paper, decorative sheet, decoratives, and the last is the instruction manual. So now let's start unboxing it, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So as you can see, I'm opening it up, and I'll put the link of this kit in the description so you can also buy it. So I'm going to throw that wrapping away. So as you can see, there's a red thing to hold it. So as you can see at the top, it says my unicorn soap making lab. Now let's open it like this. So didn't saw there was tape, so now I'm opening it up. So these are the contents. They look pretty cool. Let's take them out. This is the mold, I guess. They give a hard plastic mold with a measuring beaker, and I don't know what is this, probably the colors. And this is our gloves. And then there is an instruction manual which is also circle shaped because of the packaging. There is even some spoons, etc. stuff, and there are the colorings and the fragrances with some wax. I guess we need wax for making soap, and some stickers and more stuff, gift wrapping. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So now let's get started. So first we need to take 2 to 3 cubes of the soap base. And I'm just opening this up. Wait, yes, like this. And now we have to take out 2 to 3 cubes of this soap base. As you can see, the first cube here, I'm going to keep it. The second cube and the third cube. And then you have to heat it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So please ask your parents to heat it up in the microwave because it could be hot, till the time it forms into a liquid substance. So now let's start the process. So it is heated up and I'm wearing my gloves. So I've got this that is included in the kit, and I'm going to open this up and choose my coloring. So I'm going to do 2 drops of blue, 2 drops of pink to make purple, because you know my favorite color is purple. So let's get them out. So now let's get started. So first take few drops of this blue, squeeze it up. There are a lot. 1, okay, that's a lot. I'm going to put that much, squeeze it out, and I'm going to take the pink one. Didn't expect it that many drops. Okay, I think that's enough. And now I'm going to close it up and put some fragrance into it. I'm going to put a few drops. Okay, that's enough. And now I'm going to stir it up with this wooden spatula properly. This turned out actually a beautiful color. So as you can see, now I'm going to add some glitter. I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to add some glitter into it. Glitter is never less, so I'm going to add a whole bunch. And now let's mix it all up. See, as you can see, it's super glittery. So see, it looks like such a galaxy color. I'm going to remove these gloves because they are hurting me. And now let's pour it in. I'm going to take this spoon out of the way. I put in the mold. It looks pretty cute actually. I really like the color of it. So put it in the horn and everywhere very well. I think I've made the mixture too much. but I think this is enough. So now we have to leave it for 4 hours. So I'll meet you back after 4 hours. So I'm back and my soap is ready. So it maximum took me 2 hours to make it. I think it gets ready in 2 hours. I think it matters on the season or something. So as you can see, my soap is ready. It's almost about to fall out. As you can see, it looks super glittery. Now let's take it out of its mold. So I was pushing it a little bit. It's almost out. I was taking it out before too. And as you can see, it looks so cute. So as you can see, my soap it's ready. It's super glittery and blue in color. As you can see, you can also make it pink or purple by mixing the both of the colors. So you can have a closer look at it. So let's smell it. It smells actually very good. I don't know the fragrance of it. It's kind of smells like bubble gum to me, but it's very great in scent. I really like this soap. As you can see, it's in a unicorn shape. And if you want to buy this product, I'll put the buy link in the description. And please do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this. Till then, take care and bye bye. Bye bye. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon down below.